Electricity bills can be a real pain, right? Especially in the summer in Tokyo when you're trying to keep your food cold. But guess what? There's a way to keep things cool without using any electricity at all. It's a natural, earth-friendly way to save money. We're going to build a fridge without plugging it in. This DIY project is easy on your wallet and good for the planet. It helps the earth and is a simpler way to live. We'll use easy-to-find stuff and the power of evaporation. This cooling method has been around for ages. It shows how clever people were way back when, living with nature. It reminds us that we don't always need complicated things to solve everyday problems. Ready to ditch the power cord and go green? Let's do it! The trick to our DIY fridge is something called evaporative cooling. It's a natural way to make things colder using evaporation. The star of our project is a Zir pot. It's super simple. 2 clay pots and some sand. Here's the magic water evaporates from the sand between the pots. Evaporation needs heat, and it takes that heat from the inside pot. This cools the air and anything inside like a fridge. The Zir pot is perfect for green living. It's simple and doesn't hurt the environment. Plus, it's super cheap to make. You'll be amazed how easy it is to build your own cooler with stuff you probably already have. Making a Zir pot needs just a few things, and you might already have them. 2 clay pots, one smaller than the other. The small one needs to fit inside the big one with some space around it. Some coarse sand, enough to fill the space between the pots. Water, to keep the sand wet. A cloth to cover the top. A shady spot away from the sun. That's all. No special tools or expensive stuff. This project is all about being simple and affordable. It's a great way to use old pots and not buy new appliances. Okay, let's build your Zir pot. First, clean both pots really well. Make sure there are no cracks or breaks. Soak the smaller pot in water for a few hours. This helps it cool better. Put a layer of sand in the bottom of the bigger pot. Put the smaller pot inside, right in the middle. Fill the space between the pots with more sand. Slowly pour water over the sand until it's wet, but not too wet. You want it damp, not swimming in water. Cover the top with a wet cloth. Put your Zir pot in a shady spot, away from the sun. And that's it. Your Zir pot is ready. The inside pot will stay cool for hours, keeping your fruits, vegetables, and other foods fresh. Remember to wet the sand again every day or two. It depends on how humid it is. Keep the sand damp for the best cooling. Try putting your Zir pot in different places to see what works best. You'll be surprised how well this simple thing works. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments how your Zir pot turned out.